I want to make a change to anything that I can do as a human that can do for this world. No matter what it takes, just do it. Take this world of good care, the same as we take care of ourselves. Of course, it's not easy, but we need to tell ourselves it's not that difficult. Just focus on it. I would like to see the smile from nature. I want to see anyone who grow up here feel the value of them, who can be a part to help this world. If you are watching this video, please tell me that you will do something good to this world just like me. Let's try to listen the voice of nature. What are they telling us?